Okay, now we have an expression. It's not just all numbers. We got some variables now. So we have to distribute 2 to the 5x and 2 to that positive 3. It's not too bad. When you do 2 times 5x, it's really just the same as doing 2 times 5. And what is 2 times 5? 10. So this would just be 10x. And then we have 2 times positive 3. You have positive times positive is positive. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can't combine 10x with the 6. That's like saying 10 monkeys plus 6 calculators. They're totally different things. So these are unlike terms that we won't be able to combine anymore. So this will actually be our final answer. And then the next one, we've got a fraction, and it's at the back end, but it does the same thing. We're going to multiply it by both of these terms. So if we are doing 3 times 1 over 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 over 3 is 1. So 1/3 of 3b is just 1b, which we're just going to write as b. Now we're doing -2, or -2 over 1 times 1/3. -2 times 1 is -2. 1 times 3 is 3. So it comes out to -2/3. So 1b minus 2/3. But we're too cool, so we're just going to write it as b minus 2/3. As always, try these out. I'll work them. And pause here so you can check your work when you're done. So this is just like proper form. If you had 6 minus 14t, you're totally fine. Typically you put the variables first, so that -14t would go to the front, and that positive 6 would go to the back. So again, same thing here. This is fine, the 1.2 plus 3.3c. But if you can form good habits now, knock it out now. So the c's come to the front. And there's your proper form.